Welcome back! In this episode of What Are We Printing Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to press a plexiglass frosted glass with a white toner transfer, the TheMagicTouch CPM 6.2. What you need is a T-pad, what you need is the printed transfer, and of course the popular frosted glasses. So we're going to put this glass in the middle of the heat press. We're going to use a swing away heat press. So if you have a clamshell, you can just turn it around 180 degrees and do it 2 times. But we have a swing away heat press. So here we have the transfer. We can do it in 1 step. We're going to place it on here. Then we're going to use the TheMagicTouch T-pad, and it doesn't matter with this application what side. So I'm just going to put it on, and then I'm going to press it 170 degrees for 60 seconds. The transfer now cooled down, so we're going to remove the TheMagicTouch CPM 6.2. And here you got your personalized plexiglass frosted glass. We also have different sizes, as this one, which is fully transparent, and we press the other side, so it's UV resistant. So you can choose for pre-drilled holes or not. You can choose for different sizes and different colors. So don't forget to order because they're quite popular, and do use our TheMagicTouch CPM 6.2 hard surface transfer in 1 step.